Welcome back. This is a cool video where we've been talking about automating your Google Sheets, and this is cool because you don't need to code. It's a little bit better than the typical macro, which usually just records your movements and then you can press a button and it will do all the manual labor for you. In this case, we want to take the status and mark it complete, and once we do, we want this to be moved over to our completed box. So you'll see that it just disappeared, and here is our task. So what is going on is we have an add-on called Sheets Automation, Automate Google Sheets. Press open. You can download this from the store, and you can create a new rule. So this rule will say assign to inbox, and we want to take, let's say, column B. I don't know if this will work. I haven't tried this before. And we can take a condition, and the value, let's say, is Parker. Hit save, and move row to, and we're going to name this one Parker. Hit save. We're going to create a new sheet here, and we're going to rename this one to Parker. So now, once I hit save here, what should happen is if I change this to Parker, this should move this entire row into my inbox. So we'll see if it happens. I am new to this, so I'm not exactly sure if it's going to work. Let's see. Column B contains Parker. Oh, we need to change this to column B. That's what's wrong. Here we go. Let's hit save. And let's change this one to Parker. And there we go. So now we should have one item in Parker's inbox. So just like that, you could build a complex automation system right in your Google Sheets without having to write a single line of code. That's pretty cool. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you at the next video.